Gonna join in with Mr. Bean, alright, aka the Bean Bandit, and we're gonna get this going with Sons of the Forest, alrighty? So let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's get this show on the road then, yeah? Alright, what's our next objective? Where's Metro? Wait, dude, who's that? Yo, whoa, whoa, dude! Bro, are you, bro, can you hear? Oh, fuck. Oh, what a bitch. Alright, is Metro still building our house? There you go, I told him. Finish structure, big boy. Alright, what's the plan? What's the plan? I think I put the should I put the brightness a little bit up? I feel like I should. I'm hungry. Fuck, I didn't even notice that. Alright, let's is this cooked? Fuck yeah. Eat some cooked fish. Oh, by the way, I know how to get clean water. I figured it out. By figuring it out, I figured out how to get clean water. What was that? No. Hey, yo, bro.
Yo,
What's happening? You
yo,
hear me? I know how to make clean water. It's
uh,
basically it's a recipe. It's a recipe. Can you make it? Let me how do I make a fire? Let me make a fire real quick. Damn, Mitchell, you're really hitting it hard over there. Let's see if I can make it. What were you hitting? What's this? How do I make a fire? Alright, figured out how to make a fire. Now, where's my pot? Nope. There's my pot. Nope. Okay. Do I just hold this right here? Dude, I am making fresh water. Look at it go. It's boiling. Don't touch it yet. Don't touch it. It's making fresh water. So basically, you put the pot on here, and you know how you like put your fish and everything, right? There should be a wheel that just like appears in the middle. You just go towards that wheel and then press your right D-pad, and then there you go. It'll cook. It'll start cooking because it'll show water. Yeah, I have made. There's like another orange area, like straight where I am. Straight. What is this? Straight. What is it? So we're going. This is north. So I guess south, southeast. Okay. W. W. I think I'm gonna stick with my spear. I'll make another fire right here, and I have rocks. Let me see if I can make a bonfire on this rock. Okay. Is this steak? I do not want to consume that. I feel like that's not good steak. I feel like, oh no, my pot's right here. Now an empty pot. I'll put some water in here. Good thing we have a little pond. Little pond, and we dip that in the pond. Alright. Hey, bro, look at him. Look at Metro. Metro, what are you sitting down doing here for? Get your ass back to work. Oh, shit. Metro. Dummy. Metro. Did Metro die? No way he died. Wait, where's Metro? Wait, no way. No way. Hey, did Metro die? Hey, bro, did Metro die? Oh, no, he's over there. Bro, I got scared for a second. I thought Metro died. Let's see what we got. I think we're good. I think I'm gonna go chop up some wood. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go chop some wood because I feel like because I see here that we gain strength for just doing shit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gain some strength. Look at that! I have level 5 strength now. How much strength do you have? What the fuck? Bro's picking up a whole boulder. I kind of want to make a bonfire for tonight, you know? I feel like a bonfire would help us a lot. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it this way. There you go. I think this should be enough to make a bonfire. I want to put on the rock though, but no, wait. Let me look at my book real quick actually, because I think well, what was it for a bonfire? So sticks, and then cut a wood in half and then stack it. So sticks, wood. Okay, let's try it. So, well, there's sticks right here, and now we need like half of wood, I think. Okay. Now we're gonna put this with this, right? I'm so confused. Do we not put it there? I don't know what we're doing here. What the fuck was that noise? Well, maybe we gotta start from scratch. Let me get some sticks. Yeah, I'll do that. Let's see if I have some sticks somewhere. Got some sticks. Okay. So basically, we're gonna do kite. I got boulders. Maybe I have to do enough for me to just fucking carry. No, that's as small as it goes. Okay. So it showed. I saw. Trying to find out where to put this shit in. No, that's not what I wanted. God damn it. So basically, we are chopping. We're breaking this. Get wood. Chop it down. Put the little piece and then the big piece, and then voila. So there's a stick. So get a little piece. You want to do that? This is as little as it gets, buddy. I am honestly confused here.
Oh shit.
Robert, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Dude, I'm trying to make a bonfire here, but this shit's not working out for me. Maybe. It is. Okay. Oh, I just saw someone running across the thing. Okay. Not like this. I hope that was Metro. I really hope that was Metro that I saw running around our area. Here, what happens if I start right here? Yeah. Give me these rocks. Give me these rocks. Is there any sticks on the ground here? Do you have any sticks? I need a stick. Wait, oh, I found a stick. Fuck yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, I gotta make a bonfire because it's fucking dark here, bro. Okay, it said break the sticks here. Okay, I'm gonna break the sticks. Break. Okay, and then, let me see. And what else I say? Grab, break log, and put them here. Okay. The log I broke. There's the log. Oh, no, I need a little one.
We should.
Oh, shit. Let's sleep. Let's sleep. Let's sleep. I'm asleep. I'm sleeping. Nope. Where are they at? And how do I make a bonfire? Let's sleep again. Just try. I'm just gonna keep spamming to sleep, honestly, because we cannot see anything. Okay. Robin. Did you just kill somebody? Why is there a leg here? I'm just gonna keep the leg. Okay.
Oh.
Bro, don't fucking die on me, dog. Holy shit. What is this, a 20v1? Bro, how are you down already? Bro, what the fuck? You can't be losing this. What? Our house!